Hello! When we are back again in pushing through the adversity, this is the example today of me sticking to my challenge of recording a few more videos on a day. And I mean, since the full disclaimer will not fit properly in a good way in this video, I will just keep it with I did not want to go out and record. But I'll do it anyways right now because I combine it with something else, and the combination this time is to use the Rode Wireless Go with a lavalier mic and a small foam dead cat, let's say, while it's no, it's not raining cats and dogs, but it's a little rainy outside. So there's a few tips and tricks I already have out of this concept, and I have a few benefits already. And one of the benefits right now, which I see, is that the iPhone is a lot lighter if you do not have a plug-in microphone which blocks your hand. It's a lot easier to hold it right now. And that already is like a pleasant experience because I realize I hold the camera a lot higher than usual. And that's already one benefit, one learning. You see here is my lav mic. I have the receiver in my pocket, and I have the transmitter covered in my sleeve on my arm, so basically all protected from the rain. And I will see how that goes this time in this video. But the topic which I wanted to talk about is really, I was sitting in front of my desk. I had a wonderful evening, really inspiring, watching the future content from Chris Do. I was in a Clubhouse session. I was in the Eagle Learning Method session, which I will link to the video up there, to improve your English. I mean, all this was there, and still, I mean, it's been a long day. Not as long as usual, but I got up at like 7-ish. Then went to work, was working in the restaurants, came back home like at 5, had calls, and now I'm basically thinking, I should just go to bed or do some random stuff. But I made a commitment to myself, and now I want to fulfill that, so that's why I'm getting out right now and record this video right now. And I have to say, this perspective change, due to the way I can hold it and due to the way it is all set up, might be really beneficial for the future. And it also doesn't look so weird when I have this massive dead cat on my in my hand and on my phone. But the bad part right now is really the rain. Although I like to walk when I'm recording, because it's also like combination of two things which I like, and gives me a little more boost if one of the two interests fails on me by a little. It's still, you see already the shininess on my jacket, and I think I will regret that with a little freezing bitterness later. But greetings to Yath. You already gave me credits for doing so, and that was much appreciated, and not, let's say, necessary feedback, but it was the feedback which I really liked to take, and will stick with me and be something where I look back on as one of the feedbacks. Also, walking outside, recording videos led to a really wonderful scenario today. I was thinking to make a separate video, but it just fits in here perfectly because I'm walking outside basically. So when I arrived Choppyland and I finished recording the video today, a young woman approached me, and I already posted that on Twitter. So if you follow me there, you would have seen it. It is, "Hey, are you a YouTuber?" I'm like, "Yes." "Oh, that's so cool." And that was like, whoa, a little bitty celebrity status here, which I wouldn't have imagined so early on. And I have my co-op where like some people, and shout out to Marco, know me and talk with me, not really about me, but we always in constant exchange. And I left a shout out for the team from the co-op in Altstetten as well in another video, because they really do a great job, and I love the security guys in the evening. They always have a nice friendly welcome for you. So overall, really great experience to be there and to go shopping every once in a while, which in my case is like almost every day, if not many times a day, because it's just so simple, and in Switzerland the stores are open longer. Yeah, but this was my pleasant moments today, by just going out and recording and making people aware of that you are recording something. So don't shy away. Show the world what you're doing and show your work to the world. And just to harvest the results later. And I see another benefit right now of using the phone. I would have never used the Sony ZV-1, and probably many people would not use some of the other cameras to record in that kind of rain, because I'm not sure how well that be perceived by the other devices. I mean, iPhone is waterproof, not waterproof, but you know, IPX7 or whatever it is. I'm not sure about my connections in between towards the microphone. Another thing to find out. But that's going to be the part at the end when I'm trimming and editing all this, and see if that's a work solution for rainy days. Because what kind of excuse it is just to not give some shout out to the world. And I hope you can take something away from here, just like pushing through. I mean, we had a video before on this. If I repeat myself, I think with good messages and important messages, there's no issue to repeat yourself. And I think here right now, made a point to myself. Yes, you can record in the rain, and yes, it's a stupid idea. But I hope you had a smile here, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. There's going to be more rainy content, and hopefully in the future some sunny content as well coming up. And leave a like, that's always appreciated. And put some comments inside what you think about walking in the rain, because I had this song in my mind today, I'm only happy when it rains. Right now I'm only cold when it rains. So like I said, probably not the best idea today. Probably not the best idea. Hope you're subscribed. There's going to be more content coming, and I will put a playlist in one of my videos on the sides here. I think there's some space. And I try to get the new habit done of making a picture and not just taking it out of the video. So you might see that later as well. Have a great one. Bye bye.